It's morning, 9 o'clock in the morning. Before I go to bed, I make sure I bring out some meat, what to cook for dinner, because dinner is the one we all hear, like my son, my daughter-in-law, my grandkids, because all day they are at work. So the only meal that I really prepared is dinner. Sometimes we go out once in a week, once in a while, twice in a week, like that. But most of the time, I try my best to cook what they want, what they eat. So far, they eat this one. Including my grandkids, they eat this. This is a chicken breast, 3 pieces of chicken breast, which I already bring it out last night. So I can marinate it the whole day and I can cook it in dinner. I'll just marinate it in, if you don't have the ready sauce of teriyaki, this is my version of my teriyaki. I'll slice the pineapple and then I squeeze it and marinate it in the chicken, and I put 1/2 cup of brown sugar, black pepper, a little bit dash of salt, and 1 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic mince, and paprika, and pineapple, the crushed pineapple. You will just have to marinate it for the whole day, or it's up to you for the whole day, or overnight. It's better. You can actually fry this, or you can bake it, or you can grill it. But for me, I wanted to use our air fryer. It's easy. So this is how after I marinate it, I am trying to drain it because I will make fried rice teriyaki, which I'm going to use that marinade, the marinade of chicken for fried rice. As you can see, while am I doing my preparation, I had music, but I have to remove the music and put voice over because copyright. So I will save this for my fried rice. So this is my air fryer. So you see, it's so easy, just like that. It's almost done. My grandkids and my son, they're already in swimming pool. As you can see, there's still daylight. It's 7 o'clock p.m., but they're still in pool while am I cooking. I'll just call them. The food is ready, so they can get in and eat. So that's what I do. I love this air fryer. It's so easy. Voila! See that? I also put the pineapple, not fry. I also put the pineapple. This one is good because you don't have to add oil in it, because you just grill it there. I set up the air fryer for grill, not air fryer. This air fryer can use in baking, in anything. So I put the marinade in the frying pan, so I can add my rice. So this is how it looks like. It's so delicious. It's like you eat outside in the muddy Japan. Oh, it's like Japanese food. Teriyaki is already Japanese food. So I make a plate for my daughter-in-law. So thank you for watching.